Here's how not to draw and actually checkmate with 2 bishops.
Here's how you actually get it done. So here is a random position. So in any position, we need to get our bishops here and cut the king off in his side. So we're going to go bishop here. Let's say king goes here. Here we're going to put our second bishop in the center and cut the king off and limit him to this place. So king, let's say king goes here. Now we need to get our king around and support the bishops. So I suppose this. And here we're going to continue. So black is going to try and prevent that. But here we continue limiting the king and pushing him even further. And yeah, so here the king goes here. So the king wants to stick to the corner. So if we move the bishop, he would escape. But we continue and limit the king to these squares. And king goes here. Now we're going to continue going with our king. We're going to go around. So king here, and yeah, if we push, the king escapes. So we do a waiting move, and now whatever the king does, he is forced on the back rank, which is where we want him to. So if the king wants to set the edges to escape, here we're going to go king here. Yeah, this is forced. So now we're going to get the king into like this corner. I prefer this one. So the king has to go here. We continue by taking away. So only move is here, and here we go here. So we basically need the king to get to play here. So let's say king plays here, and then it's basically checkmate in a couple of moves. Everything's forced. And yeah, then whatever you do in this position, don't go here, because if you do, it's stalemate. So you're going to go here, only move, now check, and this is checkmate. So if black knows, he won't do that, but you need black to play that. So he's going to do that, probably. And here we're going to take this away. So it's a wall and black is forced to go back. What changed is now we're going to go bishop here, and basically we just forced the king into the exact same trap. Now this is the easiest way. Obviously Stockfish is going to say there is another way more efficient. If you disagree with me, I completely won't object. However, it's easier for you, but this is how I would do it. Now I'm actually going to play Stockfish Maximum. Okay, so here I'm going to be basically doing the same thing I showed you, but it's 100% accuracy against me basically, so yeah. Take the center. So I just basically need to get my king here and the bishops in the center of the board. I mean on the 5th rank. Okay. Now he's going to try to stick to the edges. Like this. Yep. Now, whatever he does, I go here. And then from here it's easy. So I do a waiting move, yeah. He got to go on the back rank. He's going to probably go here. Yeah. Move here. Goes there. Yeah, taking away the space. So yeah, push him there. A6 stuff. Yeah, now I get into this position. You gotta go there, yeah. And here I'm going to do what I showed you. Yeah, and yeah, mate and 2. So you see, it's easy basically. This is the way, and checkmate. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take the extra effort to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. I will try to upload every week.